Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is Nothing But Drums, and I'm John. And today we're going to do something different. We are going to play drums and record them on cassette tape and see how it goes. We'll be right back. All right, let's see if this works. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm John. This is Ringo. And we just did a section for Nothing But Drums about recording drums onto cassette tape and trying to match it up with video, which is not the best way to do it. But I just wanted to see how my drums would sound on cassette tape. So when I got through the malfunctions of the actual cassette deck, because there were some input issues, I think I got to solder the inputs. I think they may have gotten corroded or they may have gotten broken, but I have to check into that. So when the drums in the didn't have the malfunctions, I thought the drums sounded pretty good recording to cassette tape for the audio portion. I forgot about this one detail though. When you're recording videos, video is going to run at its frame rate of either 30 frames, 24 or 60, whatever you're going to do. I was doing 30. Cassette tape doesn't do that. Cassette runs at its own speed. Audio tape's going to run at its own speed, so eventually it's going to get off. Forgot about that one detail. But what I did want to know is how did the drums sound doing it to analog tape, like I did on the reel-to-reel before. So it sounded pretty good, I thought. And I think what I want to do in the future for band rehearsals and just trying to do some audio recordings is do it to cassette tape, because you're recording the stereo. If you get your mix right, it's actually kind of cool, and then you can digitize that later. but it sounded really good on cassette tape. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Had some malfunctions, but that was part of the trial. I wanted to see how it would work, and I thought the drums sounded good. So we'll see you next time. I got a couple cool shows coming up, and this has been Nothing But Drums. I'm John, and this is Ringo. Take care. Right? Good girl. Woof. There you go.